In today's video, I'm going to be opening up the Fashion and Ink subscription box from Notiq, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Tracy and this is a girl with plans. So I have, I guess you say the winter or the last box of the year as part of the Fashion and Ink subscription box from Notiq. I am an annual subscriber. So I have, I think, one more box left on my subscription. I may take a break after that because I also just signed up for the luxury subscription box. So I got that coming. My first one should be coming at the end of this month, I think. Yeah. All right. So let me open this because my address is on it and I don't want to show that. So I'm trying to open it without my address showing. So I'm going to open it, but I'm not going to take a peek. All right, guys, isn't she lovely? So this is the Fashion and Ink subscription box from Notiq. Like I said, I do it annually because it's $250 annually for 4 boxes. But if you pay per season, it's $75 a box. So you do save quite a bit by doing the annual subscription. So yeah, is this this is a handwritten card because it has my name on it. Oh my goodness. That is so sweet. Okay, and then here is, I haven't seen any. I have not seen any spoilers for any of these. So they wrapped the box in this. How gorgeous is this box? All of the boxes are reusable that she has given us all year. This box feels packed. Okay, now, wow, there's things in a dust bag. I think one of these is an annual subscription present. That might be this one. We'll put this aside. I don't want to know what's in here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Like when there's 2 dust bags, I'm like, uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just saw something. I guess we're gonna have to start with this. Y'all, these subscription boxes, I might not be taking a break. So she has now, Notiq has planners available at Target. And there's 2 planners. So you have this one, which actually I am vibing with. So you have this version, which we're going to go ahead and take a look at. And then you have another one. I think the other one is has some spiral bound. So of course, they are available at Target. They are very economical at Target. I mean, I think they're $13 something like that. So if you're definitely looking for a pocket planner, definitely consider this one. So here we go here. So obviously, because it is for a mass retailer, you're not going to have your the same paper quality as the ones that you purchase from the Notiq website, but this is a great planning layout. So like I said, for on the go, personally, I would rather just have a more economical planner because I'm not doing anything fancy. It's just pen and paper, and it's just my basic ballpoint pens and paper. So you can see it's just a horizontal layout. The monthly was here, has all of your holidays. This actually started in October. So you got a bonus. So let's just go here. There we go here. So you do have ribbon bookmarks, which you usually don't get in a lot of your mass retail store products. They do have the month prior and the month after right here. So you can kind of see that in there. And then, like I said, we have that. Let's flip to the last page just to see if there's anything in here. So there we go. How cool is that? And then you got a Target shopping bag to go with it. That's really cute. I love these because I shop at Aldi all the time and I need my reusable shopping bags. I don't really shop in store anywhere else. Okay, so like I said, I think this is my free product. We don't know yet, but we'll see. So we have 2 of the fancy paper clips. I have what everything is on this card, but I'll go over it at the end with the prices or with the suggested retail price. Like I said, when you get subscription boxes, the way I do it is how much would I spend on each item. If it's an item I wouldn't buy, then what I would spend would be 0. And I see if that kind of averages out to what I'm paying for the box as a whole. All right, so what do we have here? So we have these little cards. So these are great for, you can use these to put in your planners, or you can make cute little, You can make cute little business cards, but they could be thank you cards or whatever you want with them. But you can see this is New York. And then we have Greece, and then Petty and London. And then you get these cute little gift bags. So gift cards and gift bags. Oh my gosh, that is really, really adorable. I never want to like give these away though. That's the problem. It would be one that I make it really cute, give my parents something in and be like, can I have that back? So I wouldn't give it to a friend. That's really cute, especially with the holidays. Okay, and here we go. So this is their note set. So this is a stationery subscription box. So everything in it is going to be pretty much stationery based. I will say the previous 2 boxes I have gotten, I've been very, very happy with. So I expect nothing less from this one. So again, now we have larger versions of those note cards. Now we have them on postcards. As someone who loves to travel, I really, really like these. So I will be using these to like make collages in my journal. I've never been to any of these places. I haven't even been to New York City, y'all. I've been to the Statue of Liberty, but I've never been to New York City. I was in Jersey. And that was as a kid. So I definitely need to go there. But I'm thinking that these, I just have to remember that these are here, because I think they would make a really cool collage. And then you have these little wax seals. So they're just wax seal stickers. If you saw my advent calendar unboxing, you saw me with these. And I have like an actual thing that makes wax seals. And I'm like, yeah, we'll have to see how well I do with that, because I prefer the fake ones. Less work. Oh, and so now we have Christmas cards. So we have this elegant Christmas card. So you can put something in here. So you can put a gift card in here if you want to give it to someone. We got 2 of them. So this is just a regular Christmas card. And this is one that you could put a gift card in. That's really, really cool. These are nice Christmas cards. They're very, like, I don't want to say plain because it sounds bad, because I think they're really pretty. But they don't have like the whole Christmassy elements on it, which could be very, very cool for giving certain people gift cards or presents for the holidays. Okay, so with that, I'm assuming this must be something pretty big. Ooh, so this is a zip tote. Look at this, y'all. We'll figure I'll tell you the real name on it in a minute. But look at that. So I think that's what you got in this box. We'll look at the, I don't want to open this because I think that might be my gift. So we'll open that in a minute. So we got the 2 holiday cards. We got the bag of the 2 holiday cards, these postcards, the gift cards with the gift bags, the wax seal, the Target planner with the shopping bag. Look at these colors, y'all. The pen. I always forget about the pen. I just throw the pen aside. Like I said, these are my purse pens because they fit really well. In my purse, I have the little pen holders inside my purse, and these fit perfectly in there. Okay. Oh, this was the one she gave me. All right. So the holiday archival storage box, which was the actual box it came in, that is valued at $15. The Luxe pouch is valued at $75. And I will tell you, the things like the pouches and stuff, that is how much they go for on the website. So they're not like an inflated price for the subscription box. She sells these on her website, and that's how much they go for. So that's $75 alone. So that right there pays for the box itself if you want to look at it that way. Plus you get everything else for free if you want to kind of look at it that way. The greeting cards. So we got our 2 greeting cards. They are valued at $20. The paper clips are valued at $6. The note set and wax seals and all of that good stuff is $35. The holiday gifting set is valued at $25. The reusable tote and the planner is valued at $15. And yes, this is my annual subscriber bonus, which is this one, which is the bonus pouch set. And this is valued at $95. So if you're not an annual subscriber, you won't get this. But look at that, y'all. It actually, look how wide that comes, and you get this with it. That's why sometimes if you can afford to do the annual box and you think this is something you want to do, it is an advantage to go ahead and get the annual box. But look at this. Both of these are super cool. So I have an entire pouch set. So this is actually valued at $95. I don't know if I said that or not. But like I said, this is for annual subscribers only. So everyone else got all of the other ones, but this pouch right here is valued at $75. So like I said, that alone is the price of a subscription box by itself. But then you get everything else. So I do, like, obviously I'm happy with what I got, because I feel like with this annual gift, this is way above what I would personally pay for the box. Now I'm including this into it because I feel like this set right here is more than I would probably pay more than what I paid for my subscription box. And then I got all of this for free. But as a reminder, if you got the just one-off subscription box, it's not a one-off subscription box, but if you just signed up for it quarterly so you can cancel it anytime, you do not get this. You just get this. But this alone is valued at $75. This is a pouch. So it doesn't have any pockets or anything inside of here, but you do have the little tassel and then the removable strap. This is pretty big. And with the tag on it and no price tag, this could actually make a good gift if it was something that you did not want to keep. But of course, I'm keeping it because I like the red and I don't have anything red. But like everything is very, very, like it's not Christmassy. So like, but the colors red and gold and then like the gift tags and things like that kind of are like themed for like the holiday season. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to have to use these because I have them. As much as I want to keep hold of them, I think I'm going to have to use them. So mom and dad, if you're watching, don't look. No, I'm just joking. Because I would rather, like, I love my friends. I love my family. But when you get something that's pretty, like, you want to give it to your mom and dad, right? But yeah, so there we go. What do you think? What do you think of this one? Like I said, I only have one more left on my annual subscription and then I'll have to reevaluate, but I did sign up for the Luxe box. You will see that one when that comes in. That one's going to be like, I'm not going to be able to do one of these. I already know what comes in that box. It was full spoilers for that box and I needed to know what was in that box to consider paying for it. And I went ahead and did the annual subscription as well because it was just more bang for my buck. But that was a pretty penny. The annual subscription for that one's like $500 and some. But it's like I'm getting like 3 bags, like totes and book bags. So yeah. But like I said, that's a quarterly box as well. So I think that one will have good value as well. But like I said, this is the smaller of the 2 subscription boxes she offers. And this is everything that I got in this one. I am an affiliate for Notiq. So I do have my shopping link down in the description box if you want to shop for any individual products. While I don't earn commission on subscription box signups, I would still appreciate it if you would consider shopping through that link just so that way she knows that I sent you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video today. If you did, please press that like button. And if you have yet to subscribe, I hope you would consider subscribing because like I said, I have the big luxury box coming in at some point. I think I'll be coming in January. I'm not 100% sure. This is my first subscription box of that kind, so I'm not exactly sure of the delivery dates. But I have that one coming in as well. And then I mentioned on my advent calendar that I did sign up for the Cora Kriya Crafts. That's like a tongue twister. Subscription boxes as well. There's our craft subscription boxes. So I will be opening up those boxes as well. So definitely hit that subscribe button to see some more unboxings as well as planner setups and plan with me videos and everything in between. All right. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening or night. Until next time. Bye.